Hi everyone, my name is Andrew and I represent Boatmarket BM Yacht, the official dealer of Fontaine Peugeot and Dufour yachts. With us, you can purchase FP catamarans and Dufour yachts on very attractive financial terms, enjoy the best discounts, and receive exclusive service in the yachting industry. If you're a boat owner, or if you enjoy spending time on the water, you know that being at anchor is all about relaxing and having fun, beautiful bays, clear water, and the right water toys on board. Today, I'd like to show you something that can really add a lot of fun to your time on the water. This is the Seabike. It's a very interesting underwater scooter powered by your legs, so it doesn't require batteries or charging. And the best part is it keeps your hands completely free. That means you can collect shells, you can shoot photos and videos underwater, you can go snorkeling, or you can even try some underwater hunting while moving through the water. You can use it in the open sea, around your boat at anchor, or even in the swimming pool. So today, we're going to take a closer look at how it works and why it might be a great toy to have on board on your yacht. Let's get started. The Seabike comes in a box shaped like this. We're going to open it, take it out. The Seabike fits in a small little package like this right here. The strap that attaches around the bag is the same strap that you use to attach the Seabike to your body as well. So it's super convenient in that regard. So the Seabike comes in many different parts, but it's super easy to disassemble and assemble together again. I'll show you right here. So it comes in exactly 5 pieces. 6. As you can see, the Seabike comes in only a few parts, which makes it super easy to put together. I'll show you right here. So the first thing that you do is take out these metal bolts. The metal bolts are made out of steel, so they will not rust in the water. And this makes the Seabike super convenient to be able to use in any kind of water you like. This part right here is the ballast. It keeps you buoyed in the water. It attaches to the part with the pedals right here. When you are attaching the ballast to the part of the Seabike that holds the pedals, you need to make sure that you are attaching a white dot to the white dot like so. So put it in, and then you are able to super easily put in the bolt into the hole right here and screw it in. Like so. You do the same thing with the bolt at the top of the Seabike. Right here, where you see the white little dot is exactly where you put in the bolt. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is attach the pedals to the Seabike. The pedals are super easy to attach. You pull back this black rubber piece right here, attach the pedal in like so, and then let go, and the pedal will not move anymore. You do the exact same thing on the other side, pull back the rubber band, attach the pedal, let it go, and the pedal stays in place. The last part of the Seabike is the propeller. It's really easy to attach as well. You remove the end of the propeller off of the Seabike, like this. Attach the propeller next, like so. You screw it on super easily. It's made to be user-friendly, and then you attach so this is the strap that you use to attach the Seabike to your body. You wrap the strap around your waist, click it in, and then the part of the strap right here that protrudes out of it attaches into the Seabike super easily. Like so. Once it's attached, you then strap it around your waist and you're good to go in the water. You don't have to be an Olympic swimmer in order to be able to enjoy using the Seabike. The strap is meant for every user. As you can see, it can be extended to be made super long, but if this is not long enough, we also provide an additional strap that you can easily attach to the existing one in order to have more length. Like so. Because of the existing ballast, the Seabike is able to float in the water. If you're able to toss it in, you can then put it on super easily in the water. You have this strap right here around your waist. You put the Seabike in a 1 p.m. position to you, rotate it, and then you're ready to go straight off. Our snorkeling sets come in 2 sizes. The first one, the small one, is for people under the height of 5'1", whereas the larger size is for people between the heights of 5'1" and 6'6". Either way, you're enjoying a leisurely experience on the water, snorkeling, diving, doing whatever you want for the entire day. Let's move on to the models. The most basic Seabike that we offer is called the Seabike 2.0. The Seabike 2.0 comes in 3 different colors: red, black, and my friend right here is holding a yellow one as well. The ocean is one of the most incredible environments on Earth, but exploring it efficiently has always required significant effort. Swimming long distances can be tiring, and traditional propulsion systems often rely on heavy equipment or batteries. Now, there's a new way to move through the water. The Seabike 2.0 is an innovative underwater propulsion system that makes swimming faster, easier, and much more efficient. The Seabike converts your natural leg movement into powerful propeller-driven propulsion. As you kick, the mechanism rotates a propeller that generates smooth, continuous thrust, helping you glide through the water with improved efficiency. And because the Seabike is completely human-powered, it doesn't require batteries, charging, or motors, which makes it super simple, super reliable, and always ready to use. One of the unique advantages of the Seabike is the hands-free propulsion. Your legs power the system while your arms remain free to steer, snorkel, dive, or capture underwater photos and videos. This allows for a more natural and controlled swimming experience. With improved propulsion efficiency, swimmers and divers can travel farther while using less energy. Seabike helps reduce fatigue, making it easier to explore coral reefs, coastlines, and underwater environments for longer periods of time. It's ideal for things like snorkeling, scuba diving, free diving, and even just recreational swimming. The Seabike is also designed for portability. Its compact and lightweight design allows it to fit easily into a small bag, making it perfect for travel. You can take the Seabike with you almost anywhere, even on airplanes, and bring it along for your next beach vacation or diving adventure. Because of its compact size, the Seabike can be easily stored on a boat, even when space is limited. Whether you're on a small recreational boat, a dive boat, or exploring from the shore, the Seabike is always easy to bring along. Built with durable, corrosion-resistant materials, the Seabike is designed to perform reliably in both saltwater and freshwater environments. The next step up from the Seabike 2.0 is the Seabike Pro. The details of the Seabike Pro are made out of titanium, but it's specifically made to be able to swim in warm and colder waters. The bigger ballast allows for you to be able to wear a wetsuit in cold waters, and additionally, it has some non-dropout bolts and a quick release propeller as well. So let's take a look at some of the details of the Seabike Pro. As you can see here, the Seabike features an added ballast for extra weight. This is specifically suited for if the swimmer is going to be using a wetsuit in cold waters, you need to be able to have an added weight in order to make sure that the device still floats. Additionally, the device features non-dropout bolts. As you can see here, if you unscrew the bolt does not come out after that. It stays attached to the device. Lastly, the device features a quick release propeller. Right here, you'll notice that you could press the silver button right here, and that automatically removes the propeller from the device. Just as easily, you could press the button again and attach the propeller to the device. Our top of the line Seabike model is an absolute gem, functioning best as a gift for be a boat owner or somebody that loves to spend all their time in the open water, the Seabike Premium has all the same options as the Pro, but it is made out of titanium alloy, which makes it super lightweight at only 4.8 pounds. Let's take a look. So you'll see here that the Seabike comes in a package like so. You open it up and you get a big black box. The Seabike Premium, which is made completely out of titanium alloy, comes in a beautiful black box like so. You open it up and you find the same bag that we were using in order to be able to hold the 2.0 and the Pro. Each Seabike acquisition grants the owner a $15,000 yacht purchase privilege, applicable exclusively toward the purchase of a brand new Fontaine Pajot Catamaran or Dufour yacht, arranged solely through Yacht Boatmarket Corp. Private terms and conditions apply. Thank you so much for listening about our Seabikes. If you're interested in learning more, please subscribe to our channel, like and comment on our videos, and visit us at seabikeus.com or bmyacht.com. See you in the water.